Okay, today we're going to show you how to send a pre-qualification application to your leads or clients from within the OrbisX CRM system. So to start with, we can go to our leads, view leads. This will pull up the list of all of your leads that you have in the system. Underneath each lead, once you have Wisetack enabled, of course, you're going to see a link underneath each one that says send pre-qualification link. You can simply click that and it will send the link. The other option is from their profile. I'll click into this profile here. We're going to scroll down and you'll see a section that has the Wisetack logo and also says send pre-qualification application. Clicking that button will do the same thing. It'll trigger the system to send them the pre-qualification link where they can click that and then they can continue their application. I'll show you what that looks like I'll go back to the main leads list. So it's set up so that it just runs in the background, very easy to do. So I'll click this link, creating link to send, and then boom, sent to customer. Now, whenever I go view my lead list, you're going to see this customer here, boom, I can go resend pre-qualification application because I've already sent it. So if they didn't receive it for some reason, I can resend that qualification link as well. And this works the same way under clients as well. So if I go to clients, view clients, underneath each customer, you'll see there's a send pre-qualification link. Similarly, if I click into their profile and I scroll down, you'll see also the Wisetack logo and then a send pre-qualification application. Now that's how you can manually send it to the customer, but how do customers access this themselves? So this happens usually on estimates. There's also widgets that you can embed on your website that Wisetack can provide for that. But as far as this video goes, the tutorial for how to do this in OrbisX, whenever you send an estimate to a lead or to a client, it will include the Wisetack code and the ability for them to basically pre-qualify themselves. Because it's not an invoice, it's technically an estimate. At that time, they're going to need to pre-qualify because it's not an invoice officially, so they won't be doing the full application as if they were making a payment. So in this case here, I'll click on this job. So let me make sure the amount is greater than the threshold, which it is. Perfect. Okay. So now, assuming I'm looking at this as if I'm a customer, the customer, of course, won't see, all your menu items and stuff like that. But since I'm logged in, that's what it's showing me. But essentially, when they go on to your estimate as well, they're going to see the estimate total. And then as long as the amount is greater than the threshold and less than the maximum that financing is offered for, which at the moment of this recording is $500 for the minimum and $15,000 for the maximum. As long as the amount is in between that threshold, then they will see the promotion, which is finance for as low as, and this amount will fluctuate depending on what the estimate total is. And they will see a link that says pre-qualify for financing. If they click on that link, what it will do is open up a pop-up and it's going to start their pre-qualification form. So from here, they'll be able to go and enter in their mobile number, send code, and then that's going to send them their link as well as a code to verify so they can keep going in the application, and in most cases be able to qualify on the spot. So that's how the customer is able to do it on their end. And like I mentioned, based on the amount of your estimate, this promotional amount here will change to match whatever the possible low monthly payments could be for that client. So once again, customers can pre-qualify themselves from estimates, and you can also send them a pre-qualification link from the main client list or the lead list by using the pre-qualification link underneath their name and other details, or you can do it from their main profile as well, and that's in the Wisetack section where it says send pre-qualification application.